Good morning student. In previous video already we have finished third lesson. Today's video we are going to start new lesson, fourth lesson, Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. Dear student, it is somewhat different lesson for you. It is a new material for you. How? Because there in this lesson there are only pictures. It is a comic. It is a comic lesson. ये क्या है बेटा? Comic. Okay, in the newspaper or in the articles. Okay, I hope you have seen this type of pictures. Okay, it is a comic lesson. So dear student, by seeing these pictures, okay, we have to study this lesson. So what happened? Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. In this lesson, all the courtiers in the kingdom of kings, okay, all the courtiers they were talking about only Hilsa Fish, because it was a season for the Hilsa Fish. Fishermen could think of nothing but Hilsa Fish. Means those were fishermen, okay, they were talking about only Hilsa Fish. Okay, they were talking nothing means elsewhere, but they were talking about only Hilsa Fish. Okay, every day they will catch the Hilsa Fish, okay, and they were selling that Hilsa Fish in the market. Okay, fishermen sold nothing but Hilsa Fish. Okay, those were fishmonger, means fisherman. Okay, they were catch only Hilsa Fish. Okay, Hilsa is the name of one variety of fish. And that day, okay, in the kingdom of king, okay, Hilsa Fish was very, you can say it was very famous. Okay, it was, we can say, very delicious. That's why everyone was talking about Hilsa Fish. And in the market also, the fishermen, okay, they were calling to customers, come buy, the price of Hilsa is down today. Okay, come here, okay, buy this Hilsa Fish, because the price of the MRP of Hilsa Fish goes down. In this way they were calling to customer. Okay, householder could talk about nothing but Hilsa Fish. How much did you pay for that Hilsa? Okay, in the household, okay, means in not only market also, okay, they were selling to house. Okay, means all the fishermen, fishmonger, okay, they were selling their fish to house, to door. Okay, and they you can say they were talking about the Hilsa Fish. And the palace to the courtiers could discuss nothing but Hilsa Fish. And in the palace also, in the palace of king, every courtier, every villagers, okay, they were talking, they were discussing about only Hilsa Fish. That's why the king becomes so angry. What is going on in my kingdoms? I am king, okay, and this season of Hilsa, means now everyone is, okay, they were not seeing anything. Okay, they were not, we can say, following the order of king. Okay, they were talking in the market, okay, in their house, in the palace, okay, only about the Hilsa Fish. Means they were talking about how, your majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa Fish I caught. Okay, they catch the Hilsa Fish and they show that Hilsa Fish to the king, and they said to the king, your majesty, you should have seen huge Hilsa Fish. Means huge Hilsa Fish have you seen I caught. Means we can say that in the courtier of king, okay, everyone talking about the Hilsa Fish. That's why king so angry, and he said that stop it, okay, why are you behaving such type of mad? Okay, so are you courtiers or fishermen? Okay, he ordered to the all courtiers, are you courtiers or the fishermen? Means in my palace also you are showing to Hilsa Fish to me. Okay, and in the village also, in my kingdom also, everyone is talking about only Hilsa Fish. What is going on in my kingdoms? Stop it, all this. The courtiers feel silent with downcast eyes. The king felt guilty. So when king angry toward the courtiers, toward the villagers, the courtiers become silent. Okay, but the king thought it was my own fault. So the king felt guilty. उसको क्या लगा? उसको guilty. Okay, I am sorry, I lost my temper. And he thought that I lost my temper. It is the season for hills of peace and no one. Okay, I thought it is a season of hills of peace and everyone is talking about hills of peace. That's why I I scolded toward you. It is my own fault. I lost my temper. So not even Gopal can stop everyone from taking about hills of peace. Not even 5 minutes. Oh, I think your majesty. So the king thought that, tell me one person who will buy hilsa from the market, okay, in his hand, and no one will talk about the hilsa piece. मतलब ऐसा आदमी ढूंढो कि जो आदमी मार्केट से हिल्सा पीस मेरे पैलेस तक, ओके, वो हिल्सा पीस लेके आएगा, लेकिन उसके हाथ में जो हिल्सा पीस रहेंगे उसके बारे में कोई भी बात नहीं करेंगे. So okay, then let me see you buy hilsa and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you word about it. I accept the challenge, your majesty. So he gave the challenge to, and this challenge accepted by Gopal. Okay, Gopal was one courtier. Okay, he was a wise person. Okay, he has a presence of mind. So he accept the challenge of king. Your majesty, okay, I will buy the hilsa piece from the market, and when I will buy the hilsa piece, okay, from the market, no one will talk about the hilsa piece. Okay, this challenge accepted by the Gopal. Oh, I think I could, your majesty. Okay, I accept the challenge of your majesty. So okay, dear student, in this video, okay, we have seen page number 38 and 39. Okay, next video, dear student, we will see next, okay, portion of this lesson. Okay, it is very comic. Okay, it is very, you can say, funny lesson. So dear student, try to understand by seeing this picture. So it is a comic lesson. Next video we will see next portion of this lesson. Thank you.